All right, well, this is our four-wheeler. We got all tore to pieces here. We putting us in a little 1-ton winch. And just because that's the way the Chinese roll, you have to about take the motor out, didn't we, James?
It's all fabrication.
But we got him all in there. Got him bolted. And I think James said 8 bolts. 4 bolts. And come back with welding. And we had somebody crash it. And so we, since we had to take it all the way apart anyway, we went ahead and unbent, and since stressed metal, y'all can tell look at all them muscles. That's got to be a strong wheel with all them muscles on it.
So you can get a bath before it gets back together.
We got him all wired up, it looks like, just about. All right.